You're doing a good job, Sophie. Now we just have all this left. What is he doing? Hey, are you gonna help or what?
So we have like widows here for the time.
Yeah, I don't think we get them during the winter. Guy, where are your gloves? Get your gloves. Dude, where are they?
So we're collecting some, we're putting the shovels all the way here.
No, his gloves. Guy, where are your gloves? Oh, they're right there. Put them on.
I'm taking my gloves off because I don't want to get them wet.
Yeah, but he's playing. Do you need me to help you?
Me? Or help Dad?
Guy, do you want me to help you put on your gloves? Come here, I'm gonna help you. Okay, Sophie, let's show people our progress that we're making on our driveway.
The car just came.
The plow just came and pretty much dirtied our entrance again. Okay, I'm tired. This is hard work. Guys, are you helping?
Yeah, no. So,
What are you doing? Are you packing it tight? What?
Tell them why we're piling up in our grass.
What are we gonna do? Snowman?
Yeah, we're
Okay.
gonna build snowman. We're gonna make snow and go.
Do you wanna build a snowman? No?
What? Yeah.
Okay, put all the snow from the sidewalk here on our lawn.
Oh my God. It's just,
Good job, Gael. You're doing great.
I had never had done this, so I'm having a hard time.
Here, try the big shovel. You have to tilt it forward because it's like a scoop. Yeah. Here, let's switch it. Okay. All right, so it's looking a little better.
My brother's going all the way to the back.
It's starting to snow now. So I'm wondering if this is just a waste of time. It's just gonna it's snowing a lot right now. Where's that? Where is he? Where did he go? I can follow his footprints. Ah! Oh my gosh. I shook this tree. Oh my gosh. Oh, it got in my neck. Okay.
That car is driving me crazy.
The plow is driving around and around and it's not plowing. Oh, there he goes. There he is. Okay. It's pretty deep. Yeah, thank you. Ah! Oh my gosh. I hear him screaming. We can use our sled here
Oh, awesome. Where is it?
in the garage.
Over here.
What are you doing?
You made it? Yeah.
How are our balloons?
Let's see. Oh,
Is it frozen?
sure.
Let me see.
It's cool.
Oh, it popped.
It's hot.
No, it popped. There's like red dye everywhere. How about this other one? Yeah. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I touched it and it popped. Now we have green snow. That's not good.
I'm gonna go see the other ones.
No, don't touch them. I don't want to. No. I don't want to mess. Oh my gosh. Don't. Oh, these stairs are dangerous. Don't touch them. They're going to pop and they're going to stain. Did it? Yeah, don't touch them. We need to make new ones. Just gonna put them in the freezer, I think. You can't see anything. You can't see the mountains. It's snowing so heavily. Okay, let's go to the front. Let me finish. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill myself. Be careful of the stairs, guys. It's very slippery. You guys. Okay. Oh, pray for me. You can't see the steps. Okay.
We're gonna build a snowman and we're gonna slide in. On our other video, we're gonna make a gingerbread house.
Yay. Okay.
So,
I'm so tired.
we don't know.
It's almost done. Look up there. The neighbors is like perfect. And ours is like, we've been at it forever. And I think it's because we drove our car over it. So it's pretty tight. So it's not just powder. It's just very, very hard to scrape.
This is where we're gonna make our snow.
See, but then we end up with a whole bunch of this muddy snow.
So this is where we're gonna make our
Look at your hair, Sophie, you're like covered.
This is where we're gonna make our snowman.